What is segmentation? According to readingdoctor.com.au, segmentation, or the ability to split words up into their separate speech sounds, is a crucial phonemic awareness skill. It helps students to develop speaking skills. Research also suggests that segmentation is a crucial phonemic awareness skill that should be taught as part of a research-based approach to the teaching of spelling. According also to the same website, segmentation is important because it is a crucial skill in learning to spell, since being able to split words up into their separate speech sounds helps students to encode unfamiliar words, giving them an advantage in learning to spell. Other than employing direct instruction or explicit instruction to teach segmenting, there are also games or activities that promote such activity. Examples are word boxes or Elkonin boxes, segmenting arrays, and segmenting sort.